Hi, I'm Song, and I want to do something cool. You see, I want to install Windows 3.1, but I don't got any retro hardware. So, that gives me an idea. We installing on the Wii, baby! Now I know that other YouTubers have installed Windows on a Wii, like a Michael MJD, but have they installed Windows 3.1? I thought not. So let's do it! Just like any cooking show, I already have this one prepared. This got DOSBox and Windows 3.0 and 3.1 installed. I got 3.0 included just in case, I want to get reversey on here. That's a really cool idea. So let's pop that in. And yes, this is a black and white CRT because I saw a YouTuber say that this is like the worst black and white CRT of all time, and I thought I should buy it. And I did. Display, VGA, yup. This will take a bit of time. This camera really hates CRTs, I apologize. Alright, using Notepad to view online documents. I am good, thank you. Yes, let's reboot. That is a very old-fashioned reboot. Alright, CD, Windows, Win. Come on. Take your time. Oh. Please. Yes. Sweet. Alright. We got it working. Nice. Let's do some modifications on this son of a gun. Will Windows break if we use a wallpaper? No, it doesn't. Sweet. Alright. Oh. There you go. I don't know how to play reversey. Did I win? You lose. Fudge. Okay. Okay, so we can install Windows 3.0, but can we install 3.1? So the setup is a lot more slower. In fact, we got some input lag. Oh, there we go. I was going to say, the input lag isn't happening. What the heck? Doing this makes me want to try installing Windows 3.1 and DOS on other things. Like, I got a tiny computer over here. Let me see if I can find it. I got this EPC right here. And I was thinking of installing MS-DOS on an SD card or on the internal 4GB solid state drive. It'd be interesting to see because this is a very low spec computer and it has 600 megahertz of CPU and 2 gigs of RAM. Should be fine for MS-DOS. I'll probably do that next after this. Who knows? Yeah, the install of this is a lot more slower compared to Windows 3.0. I wonder if Windows 3.1 is too powerful for this thing. Now, I know a lot of people, when they do a test of running DOS on random hardware, they would try to play a video game like Doom or Quake or SimCity. But I'm going to do something a little bit crazier because I have this idea of say you only have a Wii and a copy of DOSBox and you want to use it for productivity. Why not see if we can try to do Microsoft Word on here? Oh, it's done. Is it? So I have two versions of Word. Word 5.5 for MS-DOS and Word 2.0 for Windows 3.0. Thought it'd be perfect to test to see if it can support a DOS version of Word and a Windows version of Word. See which is the Wii's strength. I'm voting on the DOS version. Let's see if it can handle 3.1. Oh. Hey, it worked. But we got no sound. What? Hold on. Add. Wait, what version of Sound Blaster is it? I gotta write it down. Hold on. Okay, since I don't have a phone on me, we're gonna write it down. There we go. Wrote it down. Now let's try to run Windows. Gosh dang it, I want my Canyon. And then I might try other MIDIs. We might try, I don't know, Weezer. That'd be funny. Alright. Let's do this. Add. I think it's a 1.0. Let's check. It's a 1.5. I knew it's a 1.5. Ooh, that's crunchy. Yep, I gotta restart. That. Yes! And it sounds a lot better. Nice. Hey, we got it working. Nice. Right, we installed Windows, both 3.0 and 3.1. Now, we're going to install Word. Welcome to the setup program for Microsoft Word 5.5. Nice. All right. The type of the graphical display you have, the operating system, the make and model of the printer, if any, and the type of mouse you use, if any. All right, setup. Type the full name or name of company that purchased the software. Yes, don't change the name. All right, let's see if it works. Hey, yes. Let's try typing something. That's not that original. Oh well. Let's try to exit this program. Sweet. All right. Second challenge. Let's see if we can install Word 2.0. Initializing setup. Come on, work with me. I would love to try other games on the Wii. That would be something I could do maybe as a series. I don't know. Alright, my name is SongYong YouTube Incorporated. Yeah. Whew. That is a very blurry image. Now is a great time to fill out your registration card. Okay. Oh, good Lord, we're already on 10%. Well, while we're waiting, I'm going to go download some MIDIs. You know, there's a game on the compatibility list that's not on the DOSBox Wii thing. I think we should try it to see if it works or not. It's called Star Control 3, baby! Yeah! Galactic! It's probably not going to run! Oh, Jesus. Oh my god, they're doing Half-Life 2, but the AI is self-aware? Oh, I gotta check this out. When's the release date? 2024? Oh, not telling ya. So it's either gonna be 2024 or 2025. Okay. Oh, it's done. Alright, after hundreds of hours of installing, not really, let's launch Word. Come on, baby. Hey. And there we go. Let's see if nice. Alright, let's see. Can we get big font? Yes! Cheese! Perfect. What else? This is what Bill Gates imagined when he created Windows 3.1. Amogus. I bet you can write a paper with this. I'm not. Alright, let's reboot this. I want my Star Control and Weezer and Bad Apple. Alright, we got Star Control and 2 MIDIs on here. Let's start with the MIDIs. Those are positively going to work. We got 2 MIDIs, Bad Apple and Weezer. Let's try Weezer. This may not play correctly. Oh no. Let's hear it. Come on. Oh dear. I don't think it's working. Crap. What about Bad Apple? Will that work? Oh. Oh no. That's not working either. We're doomed. Oh no. I was really hoping that the Weezer would work. Okay, Weezer doesn't work. I feel apprehensive. But that's okay. That's okay. We can still try Star Control. Oh no. That's not good. Let's see if it works. A black screen. That is either a good or a bad thing. Holy shit! Oh my god. No way. No way. That is crunchy. So can I play Star Control? Oh shit. Seems like it can. Okay. What button do I press to start the game? Press Control, Enter, Space, Mouse click. One of these should work. If you need any help with the game's controls, just press F1. Okie dokie, artichoke. God, this overscan is so bad. I see. I can understand. Oh god, this is a bad idea. I can't see anything. What button does this do? Oh. Incredible. I should just done this on a colored TV. Oh god. There are so many balls on the screen. How do I clear them? No. Oh no. No. Oh, how do I do? There we go. Okay. Where are we? Helios. Ah. Exit adventure? No. Finally, we got the game started. I must have clicked on the wrong button. Ooh, that's laggy. Please let me go to Helios, please. Ah. Okay. I want to go to Earth. Is this Earth? I hope this is Earth. If this is Earth, say the funny line, please.
Hiya, Captain.
Yes!
Good to see you. Any problems getting here?
Yes, oh god, yes, a lot of problems. Piece of cake. Trust me.
We were starting to get a little worried. After all, we're stuck here on an unfamiliar planet, in an unknown quadrant, and can't even fly out of this system without you.
Oh, that's a little harsh to call Detroit, my friend.
We're at Detroit!
How can we help?
You got what I need. Keep up the good work, everyone.
Talk to you soon, Captain.
See ya! So, Star Control 3 can run, but it is slow as hell. Document that, DOSBox! Uh-oh. Oh.
ICOM online.
Hi, ICOM. Hello?
Sir, this display represents your primary interface with the ship-wide interconferencing and monitoring system, also popularly known as ICOM. ICOM also represents the central repository for League intelligence. And execution.
Oh my god, I don't care!
Not gonna lie, this looks really good on black and white CRT. It looks really cool.
ICOM offline.
Bye-bye. Alright, so this can run Star Control 3, but can it run the biggest game of all? Nice. Alright, let's see how long it can survive. I'm gonna be a banker. My name is Song, and my friends Ding, Dong, Bing, and Larry. Let's see, we'll get 20 ox, 1 set of cloves, 2 pounds of bullets, no spares, and 2,000 pounds of food. Score. And we'll travel in April. Let's go on this journey. Let's see who gets dysentery. Ooh, a river. Kansas River crossing. It is 635 feet wide and 5.5 feet deep. Let's caulk it. Yes! You safely made it across. You took the wrong trail. Oh, crud. Larry has cholera. Oh. Larry died! No! Rip Larry. He will be missed. Alright, I think that's all I'm gonna share for now. Thank you all for watching. That was me messing around with the Wii. We installed Windows, we played Star Control, we got lost, and we talked to a robot. And Larry died of cholera.